Hello everyone, so welcome to this channel, and in this video session I will discuss how we can change the object description in AS400 system. So let's move to the IPMI, and I've written a very simple program, CL program, that basically changed the description of an object, that is the text, which is not more than 50 characters. So here what I'm doing is I'm taking input parameters object library, object name, object type, and changing this description. So basically these four are the input parameters. So we'll supply the description to this program, including all these three parameters. And we declared these variables, then we use the chg command, which is changed object description command. So we pass object name, library, and type, and also the text description that we need to change. Uh, and this command will do change the object description uh, exist on the IBMI library. So let's see how this works. So let me first compile this program. So you can see I have compiled this program. Now the description is change object description here. So the text is change object description. Now let me first look it in debug. We will set the breakpoint at line number 1, then call this program with these parameters. So shift F2. So calling this program and passing the library, the object name, to object type, which is star PGM, and the test description is going to be test here. So earlier this was this. Now let's call this. So you can see this is library, and this is name, and this is the type, and this was the description that I'm going to change. Now the program has been executed. Let's do the work object again. So whenever now you can see after running this program, the text has been changed to test. So this way we can change the object description of any object on the IBMI, and that's all here. Thank you for watching my videos.